for storm yesterday. I try clean after my snow off of this car to drive out. But you know, look at me out to get it to drive out this morning. You see it? So what do I go on here now? I go walk out to one store here, so go buy me a pack of a Job organic whatever. And then come back. Because I'm not about to move this car for today. As you can see. Seeing? So when we say we need to move today, because look, this is how the driveway is. Yeah. So I'm not planning to go nowhere today. I should make sure I lock up the car. Seeing? So look. I go show you where I go and know all the way out to which part me I go. Yeah. So it look. Put on my gloves. So you can see, I have to put on my gloves. Because finger them start to get real frozen. So we make a chad. It's our ice we are walk on. You know. And then I see things we have to go through in this place here, you know. So here we are going. Just stay focused. All walk up on the road today. No know where you go. It's slippery when wet them say. And this is not only when wet, slippery when snow is on it. So that's what's going on right now. Yeah. So see there? That'll be a same thing. As you can see right here, so them just pass and push the snow here. So if you can see, we see where them push it on the bungle up there. So them a plow the place at the same time. So I get rid of the snow, but not gonna happen no time soon because the time cold. As you can look for me and see how my tongue see there. Yeah. I try to turn on the camera up on the phone here, but you know, so I drop and mess it up yesterday. So right now I pre one Note 10 Plus. Yeah, for the Christmas. So you go. So we are going to go on. As you can see, nobody know how to look, because everybody stay in. But all outside, you know, the minute they come outside, the first thing you see them start with, you have to come out and clean off them car, because you cannot go outside or you cannot drive out on the main road with the ice on the top. You have to get a fat ticket, you understand? Because the mama try make you know, say, oh, you drive out and start moving at the ice, I go blow off at the top and go in and smash the vehicle and cause accident. So these are some of the things them try to avoid. Yeah? Walk there, walk about just to go buy something, because then say me a smoky Joe, you know, so me I go burn up a chalwa in the morning, yeah, and make myself comfy. So it's set. So as you can see, everybody has shovel snow and the swampy mud puddle right here now. That's how it look everywhere. See me walk by the store right now and bend by me tell you, I don't carry my blood cleaters mask. I don't carry my mask, so I have a scarf around my neck still. So what's going to happen? I will use this scarf to do that. Use this scarf to make my mask. You can see. Yes, so you are going to know how me I try for you know, because as you guys see me walking on ice, me have one of them thick winter socks there in my boot. But what you think happen? Me toe them freeze up right now. Yeah man, me toe them get real cold right now, freeze up. You see how out here so look. I say place stand. So I tell you straight, I could manage to go up on the road in these times, so I go and walk or something. So I just go and chillax and stay home for today. tomorrow, by tomorrow all of this supposed to melt away and all these things. So I'm supposed to can shove out. You understand? You can't expect me to go drive from this car, right? That's all road, you know. Vehicle run across the highway still, you know, so you go. Everybody now go here before stay home, you know, because things still have to get done, you know. I'm out. Now I'm not ready for cut this off yet. So I put on my scarf over my nose. So we're going to go into this store now. Oh yes. So now okay, so I just need to join on a double line here. One cashier. So with the wow, you know. Nice ladies and all that. You cash in, please? You cash in? Let me get a Newport 100, please. ID? A grown man like me? So I look like a little boy behind this? 987. Okay. Did you hear that? It's crazy, right? Thank you. Oh my God, it's so crazy. I came inside here to get me a Newport 100. So the first thing she asked me for is my ID. 46 years old and you need an ID from me. Yeah? Can you believe that? This is crazy.